Jumping, them boys up to something. They just spent like 2 or 3 weeks out the country. Them boys up to something, they just not cool. Was on a ride with a girl named Nina. Was riding with Nina. Was on a ride with a girl named Nina. Talk for me, they say, how can I meet you? What?
So I'm going to measure my Sisterlocks. I want to see how long they got within this 5 months. I bought this from the dollar store. Okay, I started off, I was told that they were 5 inches. So let's see. Oh my goodness. I remember when I think it was 3 months and they stopped right here. And now they're here. Wait a minute. This shit lie? We started at 0, right? OMG, I think she lied to me. It's only like, it's not even up to the 5. I never measured them. I just let her measure them. Was that a lie? Hold on, I better find one that's 5 inches. It's my first time measuring them. How long is that one? Uh-oh. Hold up. Is these inches or centimeters? Oh. Oh, centimeters. Let's see. This one is up to 4. I think my consultant lied and said my hair was 5 inches that day. It's barely at 4 inches. That was 5 months ago. My hair had to be probably about... I'm so done with these consultants. Let's see. It better be one that's 5 inches up in here. Should have measure your own hair before you go to your consultation. Let's see what number that is. Is that centimeters again? My hair is measuring at 4 inches. And it's 5 months. So did my hair shrink or did she lie? Let me find, if I need to find one that's longer than, I need to find one. That's like 4.5 inches. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm done with all this. No, I'm just playing. I guess my hair is 4 inches long. I do have some. I want to see how long the ones are in the back. No, but for real, I was told that my hair was 5 inches at my consultation in March. Maybe my hair shrunk. I don't know. This one is a shorter one. This one is almost 4 inches. So it looks like my hair is about 4 inches all the way around. I thought I was gonna get to like 8 by now. That's 4 inches. So drop down in the comments what y'all think. If my hair shrunk an inch since March, or you think my hair was shorter than it was and she might have just lied. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope you come back for another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video and share some of my other videos with people that you know. And thanks for following my journey. Keep coming back for more videos because you know how we do. I am going to do another video here real quick while I'm here. I might as well. So come back for that video too. I love y'all. Thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and keep on coming in. We almost at 800. We almost at 800, y'all. Woohoo! All right, bye.
Stop. Come on, watch this. Look. You guys can see my feet. Can I jump in with it? Guys, you can do the 24-hour challenge here. Really? Comment down below. Yeah, make it a whole comment down below. How are you doing that? Guys, here I go, guys. You guys are really surprised. Guys, look what I did. Bye, mommy. I love you. Hold on, I'm actually gonna do this, guys. My cheeks are so rosy because it's so hot. But here we go. Guys, is that fun? I think it was. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna get out with my mom's camera because I'm gonna probably prank someone. Because, you know, she always needs to get pranked. I don't really want to lose her camera. Mom, I lost it. I'm not joking. Okay. I'm not joking. Okay, I don't know where it is. Mom. I got it! Guys, she was so confused. Her face, though, I wish you guys could have seen that. She's like, I gotta go film him over there. Look at how she's looking at me right now. Hold up, Mom, let me do something real quick then.
Would you come on? I gotta edit all that out.
No, Mom, don't. They were under. No. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing my mom did, but I'm gonna bounce on my butt. Hey. My God. I'm gonna show you guys. Jerome could do a slam dunk, but I can't really yet. Remember? I did. Okay, let's show them. He did it. Okay, let me try. Here, you hold it. Link in bio. I'm just kidding. What? Oh my God. Messing up and stuff. Okay, I finished.
That's real good. See who you dealing with. Going around. Get it up. Come on, Brady. You got to come up with the team, man. There you go. If you catch it and save it, it's still good. If you catch it and save it, it's still good.